Today, we're gonna teach you how to use the inner join statement. First, I'm gonna create a database.
Ito kasama niya, no? Sabi niya? Ba't niya?
After creating database, we're gonna create tables. First, we're gonna put student number. And we're gonna set it as our primary key. And name.
Ang sakit na lang, parang nangisa yung kamay.
Then what term?
Kaya nakita mo, sinalo ko yung ultra. Hindi ko magalaw yung kamay. Di mo nakita yun ang pala ko?
Program.
Oo, ang sakit. Hindi nga sa'yo dito ko yung bakit ko ba diba ko eh. Sabi ko sila, sira-sira na siya eh. Kailangan din niya yun.
Lastly, the scholarship.
Nakakaano rin yung pinalitan niya yung bracket. Ano ba nakikita? Pot! Baka rito.
We will call this table as student info. As you can see in the table, there are information about there. That's my information about this term.
Sayang.
Babagawa ang bagong table dito.
So,
And we will create a new table so we could use the inner join. Dito, subject. Section, tapos
yan.
after filling the table, wala pala yun. We'll name this table as course. Lastly, this code will show you how to use the inner join. When executing it, this will appear. See, I have combined the table column names of the two tables. Now we're done. Thank you.